I'm so proud to introduce our new flagship device, the Galaxy S21. Galaxy S21 is groundbreaking, the fastest chip ever for Galaxy, together with our most complete software and user experience. And an epic camera, far beyond anything we've made before. So good that it makes everyone look like a pro, especially its video capabilities, where you have the power of cinema in the palm of your hands. I'm incredibly excited to introduce a smartphone that changes everything to make your everyday epic.
I'm so excited to finally be able to tell you about the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. We created a revolutionary new photo and video experience with incredible enhancements in our camera technology. That much innovation requires a fresh new design to match. And that's why the S21 series looks like nothing you've ever seen before. We've created a contra-cut design by combining the camera shell with the frame of the phone, covering the camera fully in metal. This camera housing is stronger and more durable than when it was covered in glass, and your phone's design is stylish and seamless. Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus will catch people's attention everywhere you go, with their elegant frames, contra-cut cameras, and bold metal housing. Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors, while S21 Plus comes in 3. We give you different options to fit your unique style. Today, we've made another leap forward, building the S21 series with an adaptive screen that goes between 48 and 120 Hz. Whether you're scrolling through your social feed or photo gallery, your viewing experience is optimized for your content. The contrast ratio and unbelievable peak brightness let you enjoy all the vivid colors in the content you're watching, even if you're outside on a really bright sunny day. But this display doesn't just look better, it's also better for you. Blue light can make it really hard for us to sleep, and it often hurts our eyes. Our new Eye Comfort Shield analyzes your usage pattern to automatically adjust your blue light filter. That way, your eyes will stay comfortable no matter what. Whether you choose Galaxy S21 and its 6.2-inch display, or the S21 Plus and its 6.7-inch display, you will get the most advanced, intelligent display we've ever put on a smartphone. With vivid colors, an adaptive refresh rate, and Eye Comfort Shield, you'll be totally immersed in this new screen. Thanks to AI, this pro-grade camera does all the thinking for you. It knows how to adjust its settings to give you the brightest, most natural photos with 3 lenses that render your memories crisp and clear. That kind of intelligence turns everyday photography into an epic experience. And it's all possible with the computing power of Galaxy S21's brand new processor. With the S21 series, you can capture every detail in cinematic quality without any extra effort, thanks to 8K video. 8K is a revolution in video resolution. 8K video is 4 times sharper than 4K, giving you super high quality in every shot. These videos are so sharp, you no longer have to choose between taking a photo or a video anymore. With 8K Video Snap, you can pull photos from your videos at 33 megapixels, so your screen caps will look like portraits. You can discover shots within shots and stories within stories. Just record, then tap once during playback, and snap. You'll capture all the main moments and every single epic one in between. So we thought about new ways we could give you control over your camera. And we created a new visual experience called Director's View. Now you can see preview thumbnails from all your camera lenses while you shoot. That way, you can easily change angles, zoom in, go wide, close up, all while filming. You can make sure the video of your moment is just as epic as the moment itself. Are powered by the fastest chipset in a Galaxy device. We've engineered our chipset to give you more speed, more energy efficiency, and more possibilities. At 5 nanometers, this chip represents the most significant leap in our chip performance ever, and that starts with the CPU. We're delivering 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, and 2 times faster AI. And we've adopted ARM architecture to significantly increase our overall chipset speed, giving you the power to reach 20 tera operations per second. That means the S21 series can process graphics and AI faster than any other Galaxy device. And S21 and S21 Plus will last all day, even in a 5G network. Have you ever experienced that moment when you capture a perfect picture, but there are strangers walking around in the background? Too often, our shots are almost perfect. And with Object Eraser on One UI 3, your phone will do the touching up for you. Here, let me show you. I just simply tap the people I want to remove, like say this guy, and then AI does the rest for me. Easy, right? S21 will be available starting at $799, and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th. S21 and S21 Plus are breakthroughs in smartphone technology. They have an intelligent refresh rate, 4 cutting-edge camera lenses, and performance powered by a secure processor to keep you more connected to everything you care about.
We built S21 Ultra with our most powerful processor, amazing display, and of course, our incredible pro-grade camera, so you never miss a single moment. Our 4 cutting-edge lenses give you an enhanced visual experience and open up a world of possibilities. With the support of precise laser autofocus, the 108 megapixel wide lens broadens the scope of what you can capture. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens adds more detail to every picture you take. And with our enhanced AI, the brand new dual telelens system creates a breakthrough in zoom quality. Our hardware and software teams work together to build a camera experience unlike any other. This is a true pro camera, 12-bit RAW files in pro mode. This phone has 3 times more dynamic range than photos on the S20, so you won't miss a single detail. But your photos are just the beginning. S21 Ultra offers the best quality video ever on a smartphone. Our S21 Ultra will let you shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone. Front, tele, wide, and ultra-wide lens alike. 0.8-inch display with a peak brightness of 1,500 nits. With a dynamic AMOLED 2X screen on our S21 Ultra, you'll have our most stunning display experience yet. 25% brighter than Galaxy S20 Ultra, with 50% more contrast and 100% color volume for more accurate, realistic color. And making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. We're introducing 2 new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen Pro lets you take advantage of all the great Bluetooth features you've come to love, like using air actions to snap a photo remotely, control your music player, or click through a presentation. With just the S Pen Pro, you'll be able to use all these amazing features across our latest S Pen-supported Galaxy. S21 Ultra is the only model in the S21 series compatible with the S Pen, because S21 Ultra is crafted to be extraordinary at every level, with unrivaled performance, design, and capabilities. You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99, and you'll be able to make it truly your own and choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors that match the unique camera deco pattern. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries. However you personalize your phone, it will be a one-of-a-kind device to give you one-of-a-kind experiences. S21 Ultra will help you stay productive and embrace brand new adventures in 2021. From the phantom black finish and our brightest, smartest display, to cameras powered by a revolutionary sensor and our most powerful chip, to our first ever S Pen compatibility on a Galaxy S device, S21 Ultra charts a new course in the mobile category to make your every experience better.
Your S21 device will come with a USB-C cable that's compatible with many of your other devices. And our chargers will remain available for anyone who wants one at the new, lower price.
Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you liked the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out.